Wow!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make salsa and chips. What you are going to be needing today, a blender, 28-ounce can of whole peeled tomatoes. You can use any type of whole tomatoes. Next you're going to need a whole jalapeno peppers, small can. Don't use the whole thing because it will be too spicy. We're just using a couple. If it's not enough for you, you can add more. You need half a tablespoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 little thing of garlic, half an onion, cilantro, corn tortillas, 2 cups of oil, and a deep pot to put your oil in. So first you're going to need to chop up your onions and your cilantro. I am going to go get my chopped up ones. So here are my chopped up ones that my mom did. I don't like to chop up stuff. Scared of knives. So after you've chopped that up, you are going to open your can of your can of tomatoes. Mama. You open that up. Open this and add the tomatoes with the sauce. Oh! Now you can add your garlic. You can add your jalapeno, your salt, your pepper. Now you put the top on, and then you're going to. Now that you've added your tomatoes, your jalapenos, your garlic, your salt, and your pepper, you're gonna put the lid on and start blending. It would be terrible if you forgot to put the lid on. And also, don't add your cilantro and your onion. That's gonna be on your serving dish. So now, I'm just gonna start. Now that you have blended everything up, you can have it as chunky, as smooth as you want it. You're going to take off the lid. And you can put it in your serving dish. Smells good. It looks kind of gross. Now that you've put all of your salsa in your bowl, you can add in all of your like onions and your cilantro. Put as much as you want. make sure after you put all these onions in the bowl to wash your hands before you touch anything, because you don't want anybody touching where you touched and then touching their eyes. And now you can mix it up. There, now you have your salsa. Now we're going to move on to our chips. Now, for our first step for our chips, we're going to pour in all of our oil into our pot. We're going to put it on the stove. Now I'm going to be turning it to medium. And we're gonna let that warm up while we cut our tortillas into our chips. We got a 10-count of tortillas, just a little bit because we don't want too much. And now we're going to cut them. We're going to cut it into a cross. There. Now you've cut up your corn tortillas and your pot is hot. My mom is gonna help me here. She's gonna put these tortillas into the pot with the oil in there.
So I'm gonna drop probably about 5 or 6 of them in there. And you just have to be really careful. You're dealing with hot oil. And you get your spoon and you kind of just push them down in there.
Yep.
If you feel like it's too hot, you can turn it down just a little bit, not much, because it needs to be really hot. And you can kind of feel it with the spoon. It's they start getting harder, and then you can also tell by the color of the chip. Once they start turning a little brown or a little toasty looking, you can start calculating when you need to get them out. So not very long, maybe about a minute or so. So I think we like the way they're looking now. And we're gonna go ahead and get them out before they burn.
This is the type of salsa that you would eat like at a Mexican restaurant. These aren't the type of chips, but they're still super, super good. Super crispy. Now I'm gonna get my salt right here. I'm gonna get some salt out of here. You don't have to have like this, but and now I'm gonna let it cool down, and then when it cools down, I'm gonna come back and try one. They're all cooled down. I'm gonna try them. Try salsa and chips. That's super good. Here, I'm gonna try. Thank you for watching Alex's Cooking Channel. Please share my page with other people so they can go and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you subscribe too. Bye!